Okay, now let's look at number 13 in sample exam 1, Chem 11. And this one is on the conversion between two temperature scales, right? And so this particular one says there's a new thermometer that's based on the melting and boiling points of ethylene glycol. And those values are negative 45 and 115 in degrees Celsius. There's degrees Celsius here, but the second one has a typo there. And then it says that this person who designed this thermometer want to call the new scale in degrees A, where it should start from 0 and goes to 100 for those 2 points right there. So then the question is, what's the conversion that would take degrees A to degrees Celsius? So remember in class we talk about these type of conversion by drawing out 2 of the points that you have there. Okay, so you want to convert from A to Celsius. So for example, you can call this one degrees A, your y-axis, and you can call this one degrees Celsius. First one is at 0 degrees A, it's supposed to equal negative 45 Celsius. So then that's 1 point. Okay, so that's negative 45 comma 0. And then the other one is 100 degrees A with 115 C. So that one would be 115 C, right? And 100 A. So then the line that connects the 2 data points is that line. And basically the line equation is what our conversion equation would be. Just do your standard line equation, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. y1 is 0. M, or slope, remember is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 100, y1 is 0, x2 is 115, x1 is negative 45. So that simplifies to 100 over 160. And you can see that that can be simplified. So basically you have 5 over 8 here. And then x minus x1. x1 is negative 45. So then the final equation looks like this. Y is equal to 5 over 8 times x plus 45. Your degrees A here is actually your y-axis, and then your degrees Celsius is your x-axis. So basically what you want to do is rewrite this equation so you're solving for x instead of y. Y times 8 over 5. And then at that point you're left with x plus 45. The 45 has to be brought to the other side too, so then it's that minus 45. That's your x. And your x is your degrees Celsius. So then the correct answer would be degrees Celsius is going to be equal to degrees A times 8 over 5 and then minus 45. So that one would be answer B right there.